Hi everyone, welcome back here once again. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. I appreciate every single one of you. In this video, I'm going to be sharing a chicken pepper soup recipe. A recipe really needed during this cold season. So sit back, relax, and watch me put all of this together. So I'm just using chicken laps and thigh. I've washed them thoroughly. And now I'm just adding in ginger, garlic, and onions, which I blended. Salt goes in, seasoning cube goes in. I'm going to boil this in its own juice for about 6 to 7 minutes or until the water dries in it. Why I'm doing that is because I want the sweetness to get into the bones, because I like to chew bones when I eat chicken. So if you want to have that sweetness, not just on the outer part of your chicken, but into the bones, you need to try this method. I'll just cover and cook. While that is steaming, I have my peppers, which I'm going to blend, just onions, scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm also using the paprika. Back to check, I just stirred, it's not yet dried. I'll cover and I'll come back later. Please give this video a like, drop me your thoughts, share, and show me your support. After like 8 minutes, I'm back to it now. Guys, you can see the water is almost like dried. So the peppers I blended, I now add it into the pot. Rinse the blender in just enough water to cook the chicken for the next 8 minutes or until it comes to a proper boil. If you're not following my page yet, please click the follow button. Be a part of my family. If you're watching on YouTube, please click the subscribe button, turn on bell notification to all so you get notified whenever I drop a video. Now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of pepper soup spice. I have the blended one in the house. I'm also adding crayfish, that is shrimp powder. It's actually optional if you don't like it, but I love shrimp powder in my chicken pepper soup or any pepper soup. So after like 2 minutes, I came back to the pot. Time for me to add my leaves. This is the point where you add your scent leaf, the fresh one, but I don't have the fresh one. I have the dry one in the house. So I'm just going to add that and allow it cook for another 2 minutes. And then I'm going to add the fresh leaves. You can use basil. If you have the fresh scent leaf, just add that and then leave it cook for 1 minute and turn it off. The pepper soup is actually ready. But because I'm using the dry one, I'll let this cook for 2 minutes and then I'm back to it now. I'll add in my chopped fresh leaves. You can use basil if you don't have access to fresh scent leaf. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Let me know in the comment section, what do you eat your pepper soup with? Do you just sip on the pepper soup and chew your chicken or chew whatever protein you use? Or do you use it to eat with something else? Where I come from, sometimes we use our pepper soup to eat with rice. Okay, sometimes yam, sometimes plantain. Yeah, it is served and ready. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.